Welcome Sunday morning, Twisters, fellow Twisters. We are so excited to bring you, and I didn't know why I haven't done this yet. My family says, what? All the Sundays that we have Waffles? This is a vegan, because I'm allergic to eggs, gluten, because my daughter's allergic to gluten. So it's gluten-free, egg-free, waffles, or you can use it as pancakes if your family like them. We like them because look at all the good stuff that's in every one of those little cells. Ooh, so good. So stay tuned, and I'm going to show you how to make this wonderful batter that you can make into waffles or pancakes. We'll be right back with the ingredients. Good morning, fellow Twisters. This is Sunday morning, and Sunday morning is when I make pancakes, blueberry pancakes. And I was surprised because I make these a lot and that I haven't made a video to share. Now this is gluten-free because my daughter is allergic to gluten. It's egg-free because I can't have eggs. It is also sugar-free because my husband is a diabetic. So this hits all the notes. It is so good. Oh, it's awesome. That's why we have it most Sundays. And we like to have a big kind of brunchy stuff on Sunday and get up and get going. So let me tell you what's in here. It is 2 cups of gluten-free, all-purpose, and that's what this is. And I get a lot of my stuff now. Hang on here. You can see it. From Walmart. This is their brand. Now they don't always carry, each Walmart doesn't carry. I have to go to the next town to get that. And so that's the first thing is 2, and this makes 10 waffles, or maybe 12. It all depends on your waffle maker. Now the other thing is, since it's egg-free, I have flax eggs, and you've seen that in a lot of recipes. So I have 2 tablespoons of flax meal. Sometimes I get them ground like I did. This is also Walmart. Flaxseed ground is organic, and I try to get organic when I can. But they had a good price, and they actually have it on pretty good price point. Okay, so I have that in there. The next thing I'm going to put in is baking powder, and this is 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and this is what gives it, of course, the rise. And there that is. Mix that all in. And next is just a ½ a teaspoon of salt. Okay, so that's it for our dry ingredients. And now we're going to mix up what I have for the wet ingredients. And here is I have 2 cups of, I'm going to set this aside over here to make sure I'm in frame. There we go. 2 cups of almond milk. Now you can use any kind of milk, but this is dairy-free, it's vegan. So whatever you want to put in here, but it's 2 cups of the milk. So, and I just happen to have almond milk. Okay, the next thing that I put in, and again organic, and it's also unsweetened for my husband, and organic, which I like organic, and it's applesauce, unsweetened applesauce. And I buy these cups. It's a ½ a cup of applesauce, and it's already pre-measured. Hey, why not? So I get all this out, all goody stuff out of here, and that goes in there with the wet ingredients. I'm going to stir this up. And the next is that we're going to put in the flavor. I use extracts. You can find these, blueberry this is, because I'm making a blueberry. But you know, you can make this any kind of, you know, strawberry pancakes, you know, whatever. And then just buy the, I'm going to try apple and grate up some apples to put in there. I think that would be good. And I do have apple extract. So blueberry, I'm just going to put a capful in there because it's going to make it taste like blueberries as well as the blueberries themselves that I'm putting in. Okay, so I get this online. Then the other thing is the sweetener, and I use the sugar drops. You know that I use this a lot of my recipes, and I put in about that much, half a dropper, and to give a little sweetness. This does not raise my husband's blood glucose, so I use that a lot. And you could use granulated sugar. That's totally up to you. You can put that in your dry ingredients, however sweet that you want that. Now we're going to put in the wet into the dry, and we'll get this all mixed up. And there that is. And the last thing we're going to put on is, get this in frame, is the blueberries. That's the last thing we put in here. And you can taste it. Let me get all the, make sure it's sweet enough. Or you want to put more blueberry extract in. It's, yeah, make it your own. I'm just giving you the basic, but you see how nice that batter is. And the longer it sits, because of the flax seed, and with almond milk, it's going to thicken up and make great pancakes or waffle. We like waffles. We are all about waffles because we like all the goodness of the butter and the syrup. And at the end, I'll kind of share what we do about, we make our own sugar-free syrup, because the stuff that they put in the maltose in there drives my husband, drives him, anyway, his glucose up. I'll get myself together here. Okay, so the last thing that you do is you fold in, and now these are frozen. You can buy these frozen. These happen to be the ones we pick and freeze ourselves, and I'll put that up in so you can see how easy that is. But I also can them. I can them, and ooh, look at that. Isn't that great? Look at that color. Yep. It's definitely blueberry pancake. Okay, so there that is, and I'm going to heat up my waffle maker and start our waffles, and we'll be right back. Okay, my waffle maker's light has indicated that it's done, and so we're going to open it. Look at the steam on that. Ooh, isn't that good? And I'm going to put them right over here in this, on this plate. Whew. Isn't that great? Oh, isn't that beautiful? Look at the blueberries and stuff on that. It's just so, I wish you could smell it. Just wonderful with that extract in there. Now, you know, you could just lose it plain, excuse me, and put, if you want to make pecan, you know, waffles or pancakes. As I said, this is both. I use a 1/3 cup to put in my waffle maker. This, you know, whatever your instructions say for yours. But I paid like $10 for this, oh, I can't tell you how many years ago, 10, 12 years ago, at Walmart. And this boy has made its use. Yeah, it doesn't ding and all the fancy things. You flip it all around, but it makes good pancake waffles. And that's all I care about. So while that is finishing up, as I said, this is, and we'll start making it. You know, you want to make two at a time. So I have the toaster oven on warm, and I'm going to just put them in there so I have enough so that when the family sits down, we all can sit down together and have waffles. Alright, so I was told you that we make our own let me work this out of the way, syrup, our maple syrup to put on our pancakes and waffles. So this is what I use as the fiber. You've followed my videos, you know how much I use Sucrin products, and this is their syrup and honey alternative. So it's already a syrup, but what I do is I mix in maple flavor, natural flavoring, again as an extract. It's gluten and sugar free, and I add that to the Sucrin and mix it all up together and just put it in a squeeze bottle, and that's how you make our sugar free. It is not going to raise the blood pressure, yeah, probably that either. Blood sugar for diabetics, or even if you're on keto. So it'll keep you on keto, it won't kick you out of keto. So ketosis. So that's how we make it, and I hope that helps you and your family. As as it is with this. So that's how it is, and I'll be right back with the rest of the waffles. So that's how you make them, and here they are, and now I'm going to taste it for you. Oh, my mouth is watering. It's crunchy. Of course, that depends on your waffle maker, but ours are, we got from Walmart. But look at these. It's just so wonderful. Let me show you up close. It's just, yum, yum, yum. There it is. It's great. Okay, I'm going to taste it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's crispy. Okay. So, I'm going to put an end to this video because I want to eat this all. My family's waiting. Some have already eaten. So, thank you all for subscribing. You're growing our channel. I love you guys. Living Life with a Twist is just in our community. We're on Facebook, as I'm trying to chew and Facebook. We're on Living Life with a Twist, and that's where you can get. I'm going to put the recipe in a couple places, which is easier for you to do. So just comment below, like and subscribe, and check out our. We're starting a new website called livinglifewithatwist.com. So we're growing as a channel, and you're the ones that are helping us do that, and we appreciate and love you all. Until next time, bye.